Alright, boys and girls, today we are going to be visiting Egypt, China, and Australia. First, you are going to watch a video about how candy canes are made, and you are going to put its sequence in order. So here we have take a photo of candy cane on the belt, cook corn syrup and sugar together. Robots help with packaging. Candy becomes white. Cool candy down to 190 degrees. Add peppermint flavoring. So you're going to put that process in order. Next, we are going to explore Egypt. So you will read this short passage, couple of paragraphs, and then answer these 5 questions. So 1, on what date is Christmas celebrated in Egypt? 2, what does it mean to fast? 3, how do people in Egypt prepare for Christmas? 4, what is a special dish that Egyptians eat on Christmas? 5, what is Santa called in Egypt? And then you're going to click the picture to explore inside some buildings that are important to Egyptians that belong to the Catholic Church. So when you click on this image, it's going to bring you to Google Earth. So the first thing you probably notice are the people, but this is the hanging church that is very important to the Catholic people in Egypt. And if you zoom in a little bit, so you take your pointer finger and middle finger and you separate them on the mouse pad, then it'll give you these white arrows where you can click to turn around and look at the different parts of the church. So once you've explored here, then you will click down here at this arrow to go to the next place. Next we have Coptic Museum. This one I believe does not have the arrows. It's just looking at this area, which is very beautiful. The next arrow is going to take us to Ben Ezra Synagogue. This one also does not give you the arrows, but it is very beautiful. And the last arrow is not going to work, but you can see it here in this picture. This is Saints Sergius and Bacchus Church. Once you're done looking at these, you just click the X button, and in this box you're going to type which building did you enjoy the most and why. And again, don't forget to collect your stickers. To put it in your suitcase by clicking Control C and then Control V to paste. Next, we're going to explore China. So watch a Chinese lion dance performed by 2 dancers. This dance is done in China during all major holidays. The lion brings hope, fortune, and happiness. Here you're going to watch a video on how artificial Christmas trees are made. So artificial just means fake. If you visit China during Christmas, you will not see many Christmas trees. However, most plastic trees that people decorate are made in China. Watch the video to learn how an artificial tree is constructed. So once you watch this, you're going to answer, steel is used to what? Green plastic goes through what? And white paint helps to do what? Next, we're going to explore Australia. You will watch the video to see how Australia celebrates the Christmas holiday. Then they're going to have you compare and contrast. So you'll compare and contrast how Australia and another destination of your choice celebrates Christmas. Use details from the video to support your thinking. So here How is Australia different from the place that you choose? How are they the same? And then whatever place you choose, you're going to type it here in this box and then tell us how it's different from Australia. On this slide, you're going to choose one destination or one place to spend Christmas this year. Write a postcard to a friend or family member telling them how you celebrated the holiday. So here you can insert an image from a vacation spot that maybe you would love to visit. And here it tells you to address the postcard. You don't have to do that. You can just give some info about where you are or what you're doing, and then choose a stamp. And the last slide is going to give you a virtual tour of the White House to see how they celebrate the holidays, and then a read aloud the Carpenter's Gift. And these are just for you to enjoy if you have some extra time once you're done with the rest of these. So if you have any questions, please let me know. And if not, I hope you enjoy.